What could be the reasons why my eBay payment is not being accepted?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common issue you may come across when shopping on eBay. Why is my eBay payment not being accepted? It can be frustrating when you're trying to secure a deal, but your payment simply won't go through. Let's dive in and explore some potential reasons and how you can fix them.
Is your payment method accepted?
First and foremost, it's crucial to make sure that your payment method is one that eBay accepts. eBay typically accepts payments through PayPal, credit cards, and debit cards. If you're trying to pay with a method that eBay doesn't accept, your payment will naturally not go through.
Are there issues with your payment method?
If your payment method is indeed accepted by eBay, the next step is to look at the payment method itself. If you're using a credit card or debit card, ensure that the card is not expired and has sufficient funds. For PayPal, check if your account is in good standing. If you recently made changes to your PayPal account, it might take a bit for the changes to take effect.
Is your account in good standing?
Another possible reason why your payment is not being accepted could be that your eBay account is not in good standing. If your account is suspended or has unresolved issues, this might be causing the problem.
Are there technical issues?
Technical issues on either eBay or your bank side could also be a factor. These include network glitches, browser compatibility issues, or issues with the eBay site itself. If possible, try clearing your browser cache and cookies, switching to a different browser or device, or attempting the transaction at a later time.
Have you reached your spending limit?
eBay imposes some limits on buying activity to protect both buyers and sellers. If you've been particularly active, it's possible that you've hit one of these limits. You can check this by visiting your account settings and reviewing your buying activity. So, these are some of the possible reasons why your eBay payment is not being accepted. It can be frustrating, but remember that most issues can be solved with a little patience and troubleshooting. If the problem persists, don't hesitate to contact eBay's customer service for help. We hope this guide has been helpful and happy shopping on eBay.